Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath there is that thumbs up. That's important for the growth of a YouTuber, so that's where you guys come in. If you're enjoying the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, finally I got my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is such a great bag this month. I'm so excited. And if you're not familiar on my channel, what I do is I open up everything prior to remove any excess packaging. I take a picture for my Instagram. If you're not following me there, you are missing out. It's free and it's fun and it's True Wants with the number 2. So what I do is I open up everything, take that picture, and then I try to remove any of like the safety seals or anything like that, because when I sit down here and I'm talking directly to you guys, and then I go back to my day. So I sit down and I have my notes, because a lot of times when we receive our packages, there's not always information on it. And for me, my videos are a little bit more informative because I'm learning about some products as well as you. So I want to make sure that if I'm going to take the time to sit down and do a video, it's to share information. And that's what we're doing here. So this is the Ipsy Plus. This is now around a $28 bag. It's still free ship in the USA. It comes with 5 full-size items and a bag. The bag is never part of the count, and they're always different every single month. And the theme this month on their bags, I think they did an absolute home run. And I use these bags for so many things. I use it also to store my sheet masks, my eye patch masks. I use it for clips, for hair clips, all that stuff. And when you're traveling, these type of bags come in so handy. And the fact that they're all different colors and different themes, you can know what you put in each bag. I enjoy these, I use them, and I think they're a nice little added touch that Ipsy does different than everybody else. The theme this month, for the month of December, is Time to Shine. And like I said, these cards sometimes have information about the products, but sometimes they don't. So with that said, don't worry, I have my information right here. And also on my channel, True Wants has been really blessed over the last few months. Ipsy has been sending us a PR package at the beginning of the month where I'm able to share with you guys some of the products. And the first one that was in mind that they chose for me, because also in the Plus, you get to choose 3 out of the 5 items, which is absolutely phenomenal. But 2 of the items that they chose for me, one of them was one that they also chose to send me in the PR package. And it's ironic because it was the one that I really wanted more than anything. And they ended up choosing it for me in the PR as well as in my actual bag. And understand that my connection with Ipsy on my account is my personal account. It is not True Wants. So they don't know that, you know, that my personal account is True Wants and so on and so forth. So it's really nice that they found True Wants, and they're giving this channel the opportunity, because I am a smaller channel, a quickly growing one though, because we just passed our 2-year mark, and I'm really excited with how we're growing. All right, the first item in here is Rodeo. And this one here is fantastic. It is the glass primer. So this one I started using as soon as I received it, so that I'd be able to give you a little bit more about this product. But let me read to you first what they wrote in reference to this on the Ipsy website. This, they're saying, is a $39 value. It is a full size, because everything in this bag is. It is a face primer. It says it's created as a protective barrier on the skin that helps lock in your moisture. It says bye-bye flakes and any rough patches. Calm your redness and your inflammation and provide a smooth canvas for long-lasting makeup. You can wear it alone for a hydrated glow complexion, or wear it under your makeup for a luminous base that's ideal for makeup. They're saying it's 100% cruelty-free, so it's never been tested on animals. And they're saying Rodial is a global luxury skincare brand founded by a former beauty editor, Maria Hatzifanis. Her last name is hard. It's Hatzifanis, Hatzifanis. It says they focus on offering targeted treatments with instant results and long-lasting benefits. This, like I said, I was more excited to get it than any of the products that I thought were being sneak peeked, which I was able to share with you guys. It does have that lotion that I like, but as soon as I heard that it could be luminous, I get nervous because I'm a combo girl. And I'm wearing it actually under my makeup today, and it doesn't do that at all. It's almost like a light that's reflecting from within. It's a really unique product. However, with that said, there's a scent to this that for me is not pleasant. So when I put it on, it does dissipate, but I initially thought maybe it was like the packaging, because it smells to me a little plasticky. I don't know what this scent is, but it's got to be the ingredients that they're using inside. If you've received this product also, please share in the comments down below if you had the same feelings about it, and if you've had the opportunity to play with it and what your skin type is. Because as a combo girl, I can tell you, do not worry if you do receive it. My makeup, I've worn it now a few times, and I'm testing different setting sprays and everything else, and my face is fantastic at the end of the day. My makeup is still intact. Everything stays exactly the same as if it was first thing in the morning. So I'm really impressed with the actual way that the primer has worked, as well as a few of the setting sprays that I've been using. All right, so that was the first item that was in the bag. The next item is from Seraphine Botanicals. And when I opened this up, this was another one that they chose for me. I was blown away. Everything in this bag surprised me even more than when I received it. And I tell you that all the time, that when you get it and your choices are not what you think you wanted, or so on and so forth, these bags are such a gift to me anyways. So for the $30 that I'm spending, already the primer has already paid for it in the item that they chose for me. The packaging and everything else that is in here blew me away. It was even better than what I thought I was going to be getting. And that's why I'm enjoying the bags so much. So this one here came in this gorgeous little cylinder. And this one is called Lemon Balm and Thyme Nourishing Lip Scrub. And inside, when you do this, and if this is a gift to somebody, what a gift. Inside here is this tube. It just brings it up such a level. I'm like so impressed with this. So there's also some promo codes that were on the website that I jot down, and I also put all of that information in the description box down below. It's a lot of extra work, but I use it for myself as well. And anything that I'm going to do for me, I decide that that's something that you guys might be interested in as well. So I put all the description names and how much the costs are that we talk about here, but if there's also a promo code. So if it's something that I enjoy, I will then go to the brand's website and purchase it with the promo code. So they have a promo code that's 15% off on our orders, and this item alone is also $26. It's a full-size lip scrub. They're saying it is a vegan lip scrub that's formulated with exfoliating golden sugar and a conditioning base of rice bran, jojoba, rosehip oils to gently polish away dull, flaky skin, leaving behind a healthier looking, smoother lip. It says dispense a small amount onto your ring finger, gently massage it onto your lips until the sugar granules melt, and then rinse with cold water or wipe with a wet tissue to reveal your soft, gentle skin. They're saying it is PETA, PETA certified vegan and cruelty-free without mineral oils or parabens. And about the brand Seraphine Botanicals, it says, loves making beautiful skin-loving cosmetics from nutritious, organic, fair trade ingredients sourced sustainably, and it is responsible. Their products follow a passion that ethos for vegan, cruelty-free, wild-crafted formulations using leaves, roots, flowers, minerals, and other botanical extracts to impact the beauty, health, purity, and most importantly, our delight. So when I opened this up, it had a small safety seal, so I pulled it back just a tad, and let's just see what this is all about. So we're gonna just do a squeeze out here. So it has that type of consistency there. You do smell the lemon and the thyme. It's a really unique scent. I thought it would smell more like yellow, like lemons, but it's not. It's really, you can smell almost a little bit of the herb type of scent. And the granules, I do not feel them to be that strong at all. I might have to shake this a little bit or something like that, but it's going on very much like an oil. So really excited about that. The next item that we got in the bag here was also one that I wanted, and I was able to choose based on the items that they chose for me, the color that I wanted. So this one here is from the brand called Uoma. This is a brand that I'm really, really impressed with. And if you haven't had the opportunity to try the mascara from this brand and you see it in the $3 section, it is an absolute winner and I recommend it highly. So when there was something else from this brand, I was really excited to have the opportunity to try. And this one here is it says on here, the cutest thing, it says, what does it say here? Oh, it says a bad ASS does not talk about being a BADASS. So this one is their iconic lipstick in the color Diana, which is a beautiful red, which I'll show you. There's also a promo code for 20% on this. This lipstick is a $24 value, and it says major color meets major attitude. It says one swipe of this statement makeup lipstick leaves behind an ultimate pigment, long-lasting deep red hue that's guaranteed to turn heads. It says glide the bullet applicator directly over your lips or apply the color with a lip brush if you need maximum precision. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. It's founded by a Nigerian-born former beauty executive, Sharon Shooter, and the Uoma beauty range is rebellious, innovative, and created for all. She came out with a brand that's available on, oh, look how beautiful the packaging is here too. The name is embossed here too. I think they're working directly with Walmart, and it's called Uoma by Sharon Shooter. So it's two completely different brands, but really, really excited that they're, sharing it also at the drugstore level as well. As you also want to share with you, this has that magnetic closure, and that's something that I love also. And then this here is the gorgeous color that they chose for me. So let's do a little swatch down here. And it is one of those fantastic, fantastic winter gorgeous reds. Is that not stunning? Beyond stunning. Cannot wait to wear this. All right, the next item that we received was from Tarte. And this is one that I got in a sample size. And that's why I tell you guys to always, when you see things in the $3 or the 2 for $5s, when I share that with you guys, I always say this is where I test products, so that when it becomes a choice item, that I then am choosing from an educated decision that, oh, I tried that, I liked it, or I tried that and I didn't like it. I was so excited when I saw that this was available to me in the section where I can choose it. This is from Tarte. This is their Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask, and the color that I got now is in Toasted Coconut. And this small version that I got of it in the $3 section, I'm still using. That's how little you need. So I knew this was not going to be a huge product, but what I know is this is going to last me the longest time. This here is $16, and it is a lip mask. This is a lip mask, gives your lips a huge hit of hydration thanks to the hyaluronic acid and vegan squalene. Together, these ingredients draw moisture to your lips and lock that moisture in up to 12 hours. It says apply a thin layer to your lips as a daytime treatment. The tint looks gorgeous alone, or you can layer it on top of another lip color. It says apply a thick layer before bed as your nourishing overnight treatment. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. And it says Tarte delivers an on-trend innovative product that are beloved by beauty pros and beauty lovers alike. I enjoy the Tarte brand. I've been using the Tarte brand for over 10 years. I'm sure it's more than 10 years. And I've got introduced to these products when I used to purchase a lot through the shopping channels that were on TV, where the actual owners would come out and tell you about their brand. So I literally grew with the brands, because a lot of them, when I started watching the channels, they were literally introducing, I think with IT Cosmetic, it was her first product, which was her concealer. With Tarte also, it was one of her first products. So as she was growing, I was growing along with her, being able to try so many products, because they used to do a lot of what we call now takeover boxes. And I got to try so many of their products, and each one impressed me more and more than the next. It has that angle tip applicator. It is not a sticky formula at all, but it has such hydration to it, and it's just gorgeous. Look at that color. Oh, just stunning. I am so impressed. And like I said, these are things that, if you're going for a walk and you just want to give yourself the hydration, but you don't want to start putting on lipstick because you're really not wearing that much makeup, these tints are just absolutely fantastic, at least for me. It's something that I really, really enjoy. The next one is a brand that I got introduced to through Ipsy, and it's a brand that I'm really impressed with. And again, I had no idea how large this was going to be and what to expect, but I enjoyed their palette that I received in the past, so I decided, and I'm a girl who enjoys bronzers, so when a bronzer was an option, I decided to pick it. It came with this sleeve, and this is the product that is inside here, and this is in the color called Walnut, and it says it is $18, and it says extend your glow well into winter with this easy-to-use bronzer. It is a matte powder formula that is super soft and blendable and never looks cakey or chalky on your skin. It says sweep all over your face for a matte, natural looking bronze. For a more contoured look, apply a deeper shade in the hollows of your cheekbones. It's vegan and cruelty free. And they're saying Shades by Shan donates a portion of their proceeds from each purchase to support single parents in need through their Mama Bears nonprofit foundation. And this is what this looks like here. It has a mirror on the inside, which I'm going to cover here. And it has a small safety shield that I'm just going to remove. I'm going to show this to you up close, and then I'm just going to do a swirl so we can see what the actual color looks like. So that is the color there, and I'm just going to do it down here, and it's beautiful. I love matte bronzers, and if you get a bronzer that's a little bit too dark for you, then use it as shadow. That's what I do. And you could also use a larger, fluffier brush or a dual fiber brush where the bristles are, you know, those a denser bristle, and then a bristle that's more fluffy on the top. That's where they do those dual fibers. You do that, you'll get a lighter hand to it also if you have a heavy hand like I do. But if not, you blend and blend, and like I said, I'll only know once I put it on, but that color looks stunning. And like I said, if it's too deep for you, if you have a lighter skin tone than me, then you just can use it as eyeshadow if you chose it for yourself. And that's everything that I chose, as well as what they chose for me on the Ipsy Plus for the month of December. Please share with me in the comments down below if we got any of the same items, and if you've had the opportunity to use them. I would love to know what your thoughts are about it on them as well. All right, everybody, continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well, and I will see you all soon again in my next video. Bye for now.